Then we will start our English 2. Last time we have completed worksheet up to 5, right?
Yes.
Till 5 we have completed, and now we came on worksheet 6, right?
Yes.
Hope students you have completed all the 5 worksheets.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed
Yes,
now?
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we will start worksheet 6. That is prepositions, right?
Yes.
So be ready with your answers also. I will ask you the answers. Okay? Chalo. First question is said, fill in the blanks with simple, compound or complex preposition from the box. Means you have to choose the option from the box and you have to complete the blank. Okay? First question is said, I saw a spider. That's the
Ma'am,
wall.
which page number?
Page number 69.
Okay.
Got it? Got it? Page number?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So first page the blank is said, I saw a spider dash the wall dash the bed. So what will be the answer?
On the wall beside the bed.
Very good. On the wall beside the bed.
Bed.
Okay, that will be the answer. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Next, second one. Farha went dash the park dash Raj and Tina. What will be the
Towards the
answer?
park.
To the park.
To the park along with.
Very good. And second answer will be along with. Right?
Along with the worksheet number.
Are you getting the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now third number. We had a play. There's the house. There's the rainy weather.
Inside.
Yeah. Inside the house and on account of the rainy weather. So answer will be on account of.
Account of.
Okay. Now fourth fill in the blanks. There is snow.
On top
There's
of.
the mountain.
On the top of.
On the top
Very
of.
good.
On top
On the top of. Very good. Now next. There were many bees buzzing the flowers.
Between.
No.
Among.
Between.
Among. Among the flower. Flower के आजू बाजू वो घूम रही है वैसा.
मैम आप कौन सा पेज नंबर करा रहे हो? मैं अभी अभी आया हूँ.
Page number 69. Page number 69. We came on 6th number now. Everybody remain quiet. There's the meal.
After.
No.
After.
After or throughout the meal.
Between.
Throughout the meal. पूरे खाने
the
के
meal.
टाइम पे कोई कुछ बोला ही नहीं. Means throughout the meal will come.
Oh.
पूरे मील खाना जब तक चालू था, nobody
क्या आएगा?
throughout.
Okay.
Now say one. A dog was running. There's a speeding car.
मैम आफ्टर
In that after only will come.
After.
Between.
No, after will come. Now your choice between will come at last.
Between.
My bicycle was stuck between two cars on the road. So answer will come between. Right?
मैम आपकी आवाज रोबोट जैसी आ रही है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there is a network issue then. but still you are getting the answers now.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That is little bit connection problem, but you will get it soon. Okay. So hope students you have understood the question A. All the fill in the blanks and answers are also there in your messages,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
And students, one more thing is that this all the answers has been sent to you in the application.
ओके मैम.
Okay, तो आपको वहां से भी मिल जाएंगे एक सॉर्ट.
ओके.
Now B number.
Okay, ma'am.
Circle the prepositions and write whether they are preposition of time, place, direction, cause, purpose or source. Underline the object of each preposition. Means you have to circle the preposition and for what purpose the
હમણાં જ આવ્યો
ખબર નથી 8:30 રોજ આવે
જોયો
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही ठीक से.
यस मैम
હવે જો પહેલા
का माइक ऑफ कर दो.
एक्चुअली आपका वीडियो ऑन रखिए बट माइक ऑफ कर दीजिए सो एवरीबॉडी कैन नॉट लिसन टू यू.
હમણાં છે બધું
ओके. माइक तभी ऑन करिए जब whenever you want to ask me anything. Okay, till that keep your mic off, only keep your video on. Very good everyone. So now we are going for the second number in that first question. Okay, Bill waited under the apple tree for a while. So which are the prepositions? Under and for. So you have to circle for under and for first. And you have to underline the apple tree and a while.
A while.
Okay. So first is the under the apple tree. Right. So under it so indicates the place. And for a while that indicates the time. So answer become first you will write this way. Under. This you can look in my book. Under and for you have to circle and the rest of underline, and in this box you have to write place as well as time because two prepositions are there. Have you understood this now?
मैम फिर से कहिए.
Okay. Bill waited under the apple tree for a while. This is a question, right? Now, in that question, two prepositions are there. One is under and second is for. Right? Okay. So, in first preposition, under is there. After the apple tree is there. In that you have to underline. And after for, a while is given, so underline a while. And that is objects. A while and the apple trees are the objects, so you have to underline. And in that particular bracket, you have to write place, comma, time. Because under shows place and for is used to indicate the time. Understood? Okay, now second number. Would you like sugar in your coffee? So in is your preposition, right? And object is your coffee. So circle in and underline your coffee. And in the bracket, in that box, you write down it is indicating the place. Okay. Now third number. Vikram fell into a pit when Neha pushed him. So here into is a preposition. So circle that into. And a pit is an object.
मैम वापस बोलिए ना 3 का.
Into is there, so
हाँ,
circle
आवाज
that
नहीं आ
into,
रही।
that is preposition, right? Circle into and a pit, it is object, so underline a pit. Okay, and in the box it is shows the direction, so that box will come direction.
मैम फर्स्ट वाले में क्या लिखना है बॉक्स में?
Place and time.
मैम फर्स्ट वाले में ऑब्जेक्ट कौन से है?
One more time I am repeating everything, okay? But please listen it carefully. First, under and for you have to circle. That are the prepositions. And objects are the apple tree and a vine. So underline a apple tree, the apple tree and a vine. Okay? Now for second. Would you like sugar in your coffee? So in it is your preposition and your coffee it is object. So in on that put the circle and underline your coffee. Okay? Now third number. Into is there. So circle that into and underline a pit. And it is shows the direction. So direction will come into the box. You have to write direction
मम्मा
what
बंद करो।
into the box.
मैम 4 एक बार और बोलिए ना, मेरा नेटवर्क चला गया था।
So you can just go through the answer key. Okay, beta. I spoke 3 times already. Now fourth
Ma'am?
number.
कॉज और पर्पस एक ही है।
क्या बेटा?
कॉज और पर्पस का मीनिंग एक ही है।
ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही है, हाँ सेम ही है। किसकी रीजन से कर रहे हैं वो है। नाउ फोर्थ नंबर, द मीटिंग विल बी हेल्ड इन द हॉल एट 11 o'clock. So in and at are the prepositions. So circle them. In and at are the preposition. So circle them. And after that, the wall and 11 o'clock. Both are the objects. So underline the hall and 11 o'clock. Understood? Now, in that box,
Place
you can
and
write
time.
Yes, ma'am.
in shows the place and at shows the time. So in that box, write down place and time. Place and time. Now next, fifth number. The kids jumped over the garden wall and ran away. So over is a preposition. So circle that over. And the garden wall is an object, so underline it. Circle the over and the garden wall is an object, so underline that. And in the box, write it down direction. It is shows the direction. Okay, everyone?
ओके मैम।
Okay. Now next,
मैम बॉक्स में क्या लिखना है?
direction. Direction or direction. Okay. Now next, sixth number. Meera lost her wallet on Friday. So circle on. Circle to on and underline Friday. Object is Friday. And it represents the time. So into that box, write down time. Now seventh number. This camera
Then
is
what?
हाँ
मैम आपकी आवाज चिपक रही है।
ओके, समझ में आया? 6 नंबर पर
यस।
ऑन
Yes, ma'am.
ऑन पे सर्कल
No,
करना है
ma'am.
और फ्राइडे पे अंडरलाइन। Okay.
Okay.
Now 7. The camera is useful for filming at night. So 4 and 8 are the prepositions. So circle them. 4 and 8.
मैम फिल्मिंग मतलब
फिल्म बनाना.
जब फिल्म मेकिंग हो रही है ना, सीरियल मेकिंग या फिल्म मेकिंग, तो मेकर्स आर यूजिंग दिस फिल्मिंग वर्ड. Okay. So 4 and 8 circle them, and filming and night are the object. Now, in the box write down purpose and time, because which purpose? So for filming purpose, and night it is indicating the time. So purpose and time you will have to write. Now 8 number. The monkey jumped upon the zookeeper. So upon is a preposition and the zookeeper is object. So underline that. Zookeeper का मतलब क्या हुआ? उसकी रखवाली करने वाला. Okay. Who is taking care of the zoo? So circle the upon and underline the zookeeper, and it shows a direction. So into the box write down direction. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now next 9th. Nitin has been living here since 2012. So since is a preposition and 2012 it is an object of that preposition. So and it is indicating the time. So in that box write down time.
Time.
Right.
मैम 8th में क्या है
Time.
बॉक्स में?
8 में direction और direction जो भी लिखा है.
ओके.
Completed?
यस.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. चलो. Now worksheet 7. चलो do it fast. Now worksheet 7. First, fill the blanks with suitable determiners. So this is as book that
The book.
Seher gave me. So this is the book. So answer will be the.
Yeah.
So answer will be the. Okay. Now second. How long does it take to write dash short paragraph? So a short
A
paragraph.
short paragraph.
Very good.
A short paragraph.
Right. So answer will be article a or a. Now third number. The dash queue outside the movie theater was quite long. So what will be the answer? The. Fourth number. Someone sent Priyanka dash bouquet of flowers on dash birthday. So a bouquet.
मैम and her.
And
Oh,
her.
and her.
Okay.
On her.
And her will be your answer.
And her.
Now fifth number. Only dash people attended Kabir's party on Sunday. So
Some people.
no.
Some.
A few people.
Some.
A few people.
A few.
Because we don't know how many are there, so we can write some. But instead of some, we are writing using a few. Okay. Now sixth number. Dash of my dash one of dash sisters got me a present. So what will come?
In.
Each my.
Yeah, each and mine.
Each.
Instead of mine, you can also write her or his. Okay.
Mine.
seventh number. From Test University have you graduated? So from which university?
Which?
Very good.
Which?
Which? Now next. Dash tree over there by the lake looks beautiful in dash moonlight.
That tree.
Ma'am, that and the.
That tree
That and the.
and the. Okay. Very good. Now ninth number. Hira scored dash goals at the football match.
More?
A few
Many.
goals.
Few.
A few.
A few. Very good. And tenth
मैम जो
number.
पता नहीं होता कितना है तो few.
हाँ बेटा.
हमें जब पता नहीं होता कितने हैं तो फिर few
हाँ,
लिखना है.
हाँ वो बेनिफिशियल है. हाँ. Now 10th number. Will you ever admit dash mistake?
A.
Your mistake, right? So will you ever admit your mistake? So your will be your answer. Understood?
मैम मुझे सिर्फ 7th और 8th का दे दो ना.
8.
7th और 8th.
First blank में that और second blank is the.
Okay.
And all the answers has been sent to you in the message. Right?
Okay.
Okay, chalo. Now next. B.
Yes.
Rewrite the following sentences using the correct determiners. Okay. Now first is that the bus broke down on a way to school. So what will be the answer?
On the way.
On the way. On the way.
So you have to remove the article A and instead of this article, you have to write the on the way. Okay? So I am speaking the whole sentence. The bus broke down on the way to school. On the way to school.
हम क्या? वापस बोलो.
मैसेज देती हूँ.
On the way. Means you have to complete the sentence whole. I am just writing the corrections. The bus broke down on the way to school.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now second. Yours book is still with me. So what will become?
Your.
Book only.
S हटा देना है.
S हटा दो.
खाली ऐसा हटा देना है.
हाँ, very good. खाली S हटा दो. Okay. Now next. Vinita plans to have a few rice for dinner tonight.
मैम आपका जाम हो गया सिग्नल.
Yes, ma'am.
रुक गया मैडम का भी.
कुछ दिख.
अरे भाई. recording में pause करना है.
मेरे को भी नहीं दिख रहा.
हेलो मैम.
Now
नहीं आए.
मैम मैडम कहाँ पे दिख रही है?
ऐसे ही बोल.
चले गए.
वो मैडम कहाँ पे दिख रही है तुझे?
है चले गए.
तो क्यों बोलते हो?
Stop now. Now it is.
मैम का नेट चला गया.
हाँ मैम.
Vinita plans to have a few rice for dinner tonight. So what will be the answer?
Little rice.
Little. Have a little
Ma'am,
rice
why?
for dinner tonight.
मैम लिटिल क्यों आया?
हाँ मैम, क्यों आए?
नॉट काउंटेबल
मुझे
सो
भी वही पूछना।
मैम सम भी आ सकता था ना।
नो, हम क्वांटिटी की बात कर रहे हैं। सम तो काउंट कर सकते हैं हम। सो हैव अ लिटल राइस विल बिकम।
मैम आपने मुझे
बोलिए क्या हुआ?
मैम लिटिल
मैम लिटिल क्यों?
लिटल इसलिए आया क्योंकि हम उसको काउंट नहीं कर सकते। सम को काउंट कर सकते हैं कभी कभी, राइट? सम ट्रीज आर देयर तो वी कैन काउंट सम ट्रीज, राइट? बट अ लिटल इज अनकाउंटेबल।
यस मैम।
यस मैम।
Okay, now next, fourth number. Whom permission did you take before doing this task? Instead of whom, whose आएगा, किसकी परमिशन ली आपने? So whose permission did you take, right? Whose permission did you take before doing this task? Right?
यस।
Now next. These children, as you know, this is a singular is given, right?
Yes.
Instead of this come THESE. It is a plural form. So these
Yes.
children are very disciplined and polite. Okay?
यस।
So we come THESE, this. And last we said, I don't need dash sugar in many sugar in my tea. So as you know, many
much.
right, much sugar in my tea.
मैम हमें फुल सेंटेंस लिखना है कि आधा ही?
पूरा लिखना है आपको, whole sentence. You have to correct the word and write down the whole sentence in a notebook, in the textbook only.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope just that you have completed the worksheet 6 and 7 just now and you have understood also.
यस।
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter 8 is left,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So we are not going ahead with the chapter 8. Lesson 8. Okay?
वर्कशीट 8।
No worksheet. But it is left to study taught the chapter also.
यस
मैम ठीक से आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
Okay.
मैम, तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम क्या करेंगे?
Next class में, Miss, it is of Friday today.
यस।
Okay. So Saturday I will, in the application I will send the videos of lesson number 8, that is regular and irregular verbs. Okay.
मैम आपका
मैम,
नेटवर्क चल
मैम
रहा
नहीं
है।
सुनाई दे रहा है।
नहीं दे रहा मैम।
मैम चेक कर लो।